Hello guys, this is Dami Optimus, your TGR or Top Up and Get Reward Ambassador. I welcome you to another video on my YouTube channel. I want to urge you again to subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. Alright, in this video, I want to demonstrate how you can print NEPA bills with this particular printer. Although any of my other printers can do the same thing, okay? You just have to apply the knowledge I've given you, the steps I've given you on how to print recharge cards. Apply it to that, okay? You can learn from my other videos as well, okay? So just make sure that you watch my other videos and then apply the same knowledge of this one to that. So I want to show you how you can print NEPA bills. All right. For how to pay for NEPA bill on TDR, I've already done a YouTube video on that. So just go through my channel. I want to go to TGR now and go to the NEPA bills page. Let me just go here first. All right, so for how to print NEPA bills, I want to demonstrate that now. All right, you can watch my other video on how to pay for NEPA bill. Just watch my other videos on my channel. You will see them there. So now, for you to print the NEPA bill receipt, you will go to the menu. Okay, you can see the menu. You will scroll down and go to bill receipts. You see bill receipts? Yes. Good. So this is where you will see all the list of all your NEPA bill receipts that you've done before. You can see I have some here that I've done before. You can see them. There is 8,000 here, 5,3. So I just want to choose any one now. Okay. Now, when you click, for you to print any NEPA bill, the first thing you need to do is you will click on this button here, print. I'll click on print. So it's saying I should download. I've downloaded it before. So I'll just click on download again, just for your sake. So it's going to now load the app that will help me show the NEPA bill. On your phone, you ought to have this app called Adobe Acrobat. Can you see it? Adobe Acrobat. This one. I'm going to click on it. If you don't have it, just go to your Play Store or App Store and download it. Okay, it's the best app for PDFs. Any portable document format, any PDF file. It's the best app for viewing PDFs. So I'm going to load this document now, the receipt. Some of your customers may insist that they want you to give them receipt. So that is why you bought this printer. That is why you have a printer. If you don't have this printer, abeg, get one so that you'll be giving your customers receipts if they want. You will not be telling them you don't have. Okay? So now look at the receipt. So this is the receipt. You can see the logo of TGR. You can see in my area here, this is the distribution company we use, Ikeja Electric. I can zoom in on that, I think. Yes, I can zoom in. You see it's Ikeja Electric. Then the receipt itself is here. So what I will do is, from the person's name, I'm going to press and hold. Look at this. I'm going to put my hand on that name like that. Can you see? You will notice two handles appeared. So I will drag that second handle, the one on the right. I'll drag it to the bottom. You see where I dragged it to the date. Then I'll now click on copy text, copy. So now it's in the memory. You see, it's saying copied. I will now exit this place. Let me exit. Okay. So I will go to any notepad app. You don't have to use my type of notepad. Let me just use my own. I have a notepad. This my own is called Color Notes. Color Notes. This one I want to use is called Color Notes. You can use any one. Or you can use another one called Keep Notes. Just check your Play Store for these apps, any one of them. But me, I will just decide to use this one, Color Notes. Okay, so I can use it for, let me now create. So I'll click on this plus sign. I'll create a new note like this. Then I'll press and hold and paste that all the story here. Can you see? Look at all that story. You see that everything is joined together. So I will now start formatting it. I will go to that name and say, I'll press enter. See, I want to press enter so that the name will stand on its own. That name will stand on its own. I'll push it down a bit. Then you see this place, a payment was made for electricity bill. See purchase details below. Wait, I can still push that one down too. So you will do what makes sense to you. You see that I'm pushing it down. You see this place, I'll push it down to, transaction reference. Transaction reference can stand on its own. So description, I'll push that one down. Can you see what I'm doing? So I'm pushing them down. Description, payment of electricity bill 8,000, blah, 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 Ikeja. I'll push this one. I'll backspace and push it down. Push it down. Meter number, unit 0. I'll push all of, so you edit it in a way that makes sense. So you see, I'm pushing it down. Then that estate, blah, blah, blah. I'll push it. Look at the payment. I'll push that one down to stand on its own. Then status. So you can use any notepad for this. So status is paid. I'll push this one to total down. 8,000. Then date too should stand on its own so that it will be readable. The receipt will be fine. It will be neat. So everything is now standing on their own line separately. Can you see now? It makes sense, doesn't it? You can see. See it now. See. So next thing is I would press and hold any part. Then click on this one and click on select all. Then I will now click on copy. So everything is in the memory now. So I will now go to my app. I will go to my printer. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. Then make sure the printer is on. I've already put it on. You can do the same thing with this one. You can do the same thing with this one if this is your own, or any other one too. You can do the same thing. It's just that the apps may be different. Okay, this one uses a different app. This one, it may use phone print, it may use another one, but this one uses phone print. So the one I told you to use for your own is what you will use. Okay, so